riblets. The cleaned cotton enters a carding machine. Multiple slivers are combined and stretched in a process called drawing.
This one looks clear.
Magnification confirms structural integrity is holding steady.
The yarn is wound onto large cones. Automated sensors scan for
Maintain the quality standards for the denim jackets. We need to expedite this order.
Using industrial flat-lock machines for precise stitching on side and inseams. The fabric features moisture-wicking treatment and is